Hello everyone, welcome to Winnie's Happy Home, and today I'm sharing one of the most simplest recipes I've ever shared on this YouTube channel. We are going to make grilled pineapples, as simple as that, grilled pineapples. So I have my ingredients. I have pineapple and I have sugar, and lastly I have cinnamon. So guys, let's go directly to our recipe. So number one is just preparing our pineapple. You have to choose a very sweet pineapple. So you have to get a very good pineapple. And a sweet one, because a grilled pineapple is a form of dessert. So this is not something that you eat after eating all the other meals. So it's as simple as that. For those who have attended grill, like where eat all the meat you want, they always serve grilled pineapple as a dessert. So and just like that, I'm done peeling my pineapple. So this is what we're gonna do. Because my oven got spoiled, I'm going to pan fry my pineapple. So we are going to pan fry them instead of grilling. But if you have your oven is working, you can pin them. You can just use the grill for 5 minutes only, and you are done. So guys, so what you do, you cut them into thinly. These are not even thin. Let me try to make them thinner. Yes, that's a good one. Yep, that's also a good one. Yeah, you see the way I'm cutting them, very thin. The first two are not thin. It's ripe, it's juicy and ripe. So, and also my knife is not sharp, so use a very sharp knife to get those pieces. It's very good, very nice. So once you slice your pineapple, you see the way it's nice. So once you slice it, you now have to have somewhere you mix sugar. And then let me just do 3. You mix sugar and cinnamon. So just going to do like a table, and then you mix them. So you can see you mix your sugar and cinnamon. I think let me add some cinnamon. It's actually done. And let me put on the fire so that my pan can be and just like that, you coat your pineapple using this mixture. You see? So my hands are clean, so don't come for me. And just like that, you put your pineapples in the pan. It has to be a non-stick pan. So you just like grill them for 3 minutes on one side, and then grill the other side. So guys, you can see after like it has grilled for on both sides for like 3 minutes, you just remove, and it will serve as one of the most delicious desserts that you have never had. So I also want to reduce the heat so that I can put the other bunch. You see how yummy it looks. So you just allow it to pan fry for like 3 minutes on one side, and then the other 3 minutes on the other side. If you are grilling it at 180 degrees for only 5 minutes, at 180 degrees Celsius for only 5 minutes, and you are done. And guys, just like that, we have managed to make our grilled pineapples, just like that. So guys, let me show you, and we see how it's tasting. And guys, this is our grilled pineapple. It looks amazing. It's just a 5 minute or 10 minute recipe and you are done. Guys, follow me, subscribe for more simple yet amazing recipe. And I'm telling you, it's sweet. I've tasted it and it tastes yummy and amazing. So guys, kindly subscribe and follow me in all my social media pages, Winnie's Happy Home. Bye. See you next time. Hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Hope you're going to try and share with me in my TikTok and Instagram and tell me you learned this recipe from Winnie's Happy Home. Bye.